Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name is Aditya Firmansyah from class 12 science 5th, number 1 absence. In this video, I will tell you the steps on how to use a single tube washing machine. There are several steps that we will do. Here are the steps. Step 1. The first step is to plug the cable into the wall socket, but before that the clothes you want to wash must be put in first. Step 2. The second step is to turn on the water faucet. Step 3. Then the third step is to press the on button, but before that we have to close the washing machine first. Then press the start button and don't forget to add the detergent and fragrance. Step 4. And the last step, don't forget to open the washing machine drain for disposal of used laundry water. Then if it looks like this and we wait until the time has been set by the washing machine. That's what I can say in this video. More or less apologies. Thank you for watching. Hope it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.